Okay, got a project here for the super fantastic GT85. Okay, what it is, I got to fix this shower, and part of the deal is it has some water damage over there, but the main thing that I want it for is up here where the hinges are. Spray some of that up there. It's top and bottom. Where is it? There it is. Get it over there. Okay. Now, I wanted to show you how it sticks before. Now, it can't hurt to spray that rail a little bit. Now, I haven't done the bottom yet, remember? Okay, let me get some on that. I think the thing is with this rail is, oh, there goes the GT85. Now that came out of its place there. I'm going to do the bottoms too, but that's what we got for now. Good for shower doors.